An acrimonious Twitter thread between Kwame Dancy and his accused killer, Jameg Blake, may become evidence in Blake's trial. Bad blood between the 22-year-olds was exacerbated by trash talk on Twitter, resulting in Blake allegedly killing Dancy with a shotgun. Can tweets be used as evidence in a court of law? To help me sort this out, please welcome the managing partner of MasurLaw, Steve Masur. Steve, are they going to amend Miranda so that it's going to read anything you tweet can and will be used against you in a court of law?
Well, more or less. It's like standing on a street corner and shouting. You have no real expectation of privacy of what you put on Twitter. The terms and conditions say that. And just by the very nature of Twitter, it's the same as any conversation, including this one.
Now, I have a thing here. The former federal prosecutor, Scott Christie, says that tweets probably can't be used as evidence because they're generally unavailable to law enforcement unless they're secured immediately. Do you buy into that at all?
No, I don't buy into that because anybody and everybody can go online and see what was tweeted. And it's a micro-blogging platform. Blogging is the act of making available what you think and what you're saying to anybody and everyone. So I don't see how that can't be used.
He goes on to say, and I'm just saying, because I'm interested in this myself, that the tweets are written in a less formal manner, and so interpreting a tweet is going to be harder than interpreting a blog post or an email. Does that make any sense?
I don't think it's going to be more or less difficult to interpret. I mean, any kind of language is hard enough to interpret, especially in court. The lawyers try to take it in context or out of context as it helps them, but it's not going to be different.
The last thing here that Scott Christie is pointing out, and where I don't know if you agree or disagree, is that it's not uncommon for tweets to be impersonated by other, like ghost tweeted. Is that as big an issue here as?
I don't think there's as much ghost tweeting as maybe the prosecutor believes.
So bottom line is, if you tweet it, you could see it in court used as evidence against you, and that's going to be so nothing can be unsaid in the 21st century, basically.
I don't think anything can be unsaid. Privacy is dead.
Wow. Okay. Steve Masur from MasurLaw. Privacy is dead. I'm Shelly Palmer. You're watching Digital Life.
Watch Digital Life with Shelly Palmer Tuesdays at 10 p.m. Eastern on WNBC's New York Nonstop, or catch it online anytime at shellypalmer.com.